Hi, I'm Sahil, the co-founder of Outspeed. We help developers build real-time apps on voice and video. Our team is what you'd call cracked. My co-founder and friend Janak ranked second out of 2 million students in the IIT exam before he transferred to MIT to conduct self-driving car research. I led a top debate team in India, published deep learning research, and then designed infrastructure at Microsoft and Google. Now, there is no doubt that we stand at an inflection point in UI. Voice and video are emerging as key interfaces to computing. Applications built on top of these inputs are already exploding. But building these applications to a production-level quality remains challenging. Let me explain why. Consider the case of a real-time AI sales agent. Now, creating a demo using off-the-shelf models like GPT Voice and HeyGen avatars is easy. But this demo is not even close to production ready yet. Let's break down the ingredients of a production-ready system to understand this better. Well, the first thing it needs is your brand's voice, which requires fine-tuning on open-source models. Second, it needs to understand internal documentation, which requires RAG. Third, as a sales agent, it needs to join these meetings, which requires integrations with meeting platforms. Fourth, it needs to be fast and low latency, so it sounds natural. So it needs to be close to your users, which requires edge deployments. 5, it should be reliable, which requires constant monitoring, so it doesn't say the wrong thing or take the wrong actions. And lastly, it needs to be where your customers are, which means it has to be cross-platform. Only after all of this foundational work can you start focusing on the application logic to serve your business needs. And if you want to do this today, boy, there's a lot of pieces you need to bring together yourself. That's where Outspeed steps in. We handle all the foundational work so you can focus on building your application. Outspeed is the Vercel for voice and video AI apps. We've built this scaffolding for you so you can ship your app in 2 simple steps. First, develop the app using our SDK, which is purpose-built for voice and video inputs. And then deploy it with a single-line command, and it's instantly available to all your users. Our approach is already resonating with developers. In just a few weeks, we've managed to turn pilots into customers. And going by our pipeline, the interest is massive. Since we're targeted at voice and video AI apps, we charge by the minute. So it's $0.01 per minute for usage of our cloud and $0.03 per minute for model hosting. The market opportunity for us is huge. We're going after AI applications in online meetings. Think AI tutors, therapists, VCs, you name it. And with 20 trillion online meeting minutes per year, this comes to a massive $8 billion today, growing to $30 billion by 2030. It is inevitable that millions of applications will be written on voice and video inputs over the next few years. And we want to be the company to enable that. We are Outspeed. Thank you.